Do you have hooding of eyelids and you want to get rid of this? My name is Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram. What is hooded eyelid? Hooding of eyelid is generally because of excess skin between your eyebrows and eyelid. Many times it is confused with droopy eyelids, but they are little different. In droopy eyes, many times patient is not able to open eyes completely. In hooded eyelid, is generally a skin and fat excess between the eyebrows and upper eyelid, and because of that there is hooding of upper eyelid, but mostly you are able to open your eyes completely. This kind of appearance can make your eyes look tired. It can give you appearance of being aged, and overall it can lower your confidence and appearance. Now there are many ways to deal with it. Sometimes this hooding of upper eyelid can be a result of dropping of upper eyebrow. It can be an outcome of dropped brow also. In that case we need to lift your brow, but most commonly it's generally an outcome of excess skin between the eyebrows and the upper eyelid. In such a case we do a procedure called blepharoplasty. In blepharoplasty surgery we remove skin and excess fat from upper eyelid, which improves its appearance. Commonly this procedure is performed under local anesthesia, so this can be walk-in and walk-out procedure. Post procedure you will have stitches in the both upper eyelids and you will be on medication. There can be some swelling and bruising in the upper eyelid which takes 10 to 15 days to completely settle down. You need to have sun protection post procedure. Around 8 to 10 days time we remove all the stitches and you may have your new appearance with you. So hooded eyelids or dropped brows can be corrected by a procedure of blepharoplasty or brow lift. Apart from surgery, sometimes we have some non-surgical means where it's purely an outcome of dropping of brow. In that scenario, we can use sometimes thread lift or Botox to improve the appearance around the eyes. So if you have any questions regarding improvement of your eye appearance, you can reach back to us. We are available on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and we'll be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.